Hello everyone, I'm Jess and welcome to this course.
And I'm Exir, and today we're going to show you something fun.
Today we're unboxing the Elecfreaks Future Innovators set. And there's not just one box, there's two.
One box is full of amazing electronics.
And the other one is packed with building parts. Double the boxes means double the creativity. Ready to dive in?
Absolutely. Which box should we start first?
How about the electronics box?
First up, here's the brain of our robot, the microbit. This tiny board does big things. It takes information from sensors, processes it, and controls motors, lights, and more. It's where all the actions begin.
Wait, there's two of them.
Having two microbits means double the brain power. You can control more, connect more, and build bigger.
This microcontroller has cool built-in features like a compass, accelerometer, LEDs, and even a speaker for amazing projects.
You can connect microbit to your computer with micro USB for programming. And you can also attach sensors and motors using these tiny pins and alligator clips.
But connecting things directly to those pins can sometimes be tricky.
That's why this set includes an Nezha Pro breakout board, making it super easy to connect inputs and outputs.
This is the Nezha Pro, a handy connector that simplifies connecting devices. No messy wires, just easy connectors and RJ11 ports for motors and sensors. The set includes different cable lengths, making cable management effortless.
Nezha Pro also has a battery built in, letting the robot move without always being connected to a computer. You can charge the Nezha Pro with a USB-C cable. This right here is the AI Smart Lens, a total game changer. It lets your robot see and recognize the world around it.
It detects objects and recognizes colors, letting your robot spot and react to things around it. Your robot can even remember objects and trigger appropriate actions when it detects them. Since your camera can detect balls, colors, and lines, you can use these items to create your own fun project. Now let's check out what gets the robots moving. Look at all of these motors.
6 motors, that means the robot can do lots of moves.
These motors are next level, with high precision control and powerful torque. They're fast, strong, and efficient, thanks to built-in protection systems that keep everything running smoothly.
These smooth things are called microservos. They have smooth 360 rotation, perfect for moving robot arms or steering mini cars. Let's check out these smart parts.
We've got lots of sensors and displays. Let's speed up the process. First up, we have the environmental sensors. We have the pressure and humidity sensor, we have the water temperature sensor, the water level sensor, soil moisture sensor, and the environmental light sensor.
And these are the interaction sensors. This is the touch sensor, there's 2 button sensors, and a potentiometer.
Next, we have the motion and tracking sensors. We have the color sensor, we have the line tracking sensor, the hand gesture sensor, the PIR sensor, and the ultrasonic sensors.
These are the output components: OLED display, 7-segment display, and the RGB LEDs.
Next up, we have communication and connectivity. We have the Wi-Fi module and the GPIO connector. The GPIO is for expanding projects further and connecting additional sensors. Adapter cables can also help you connect extra sensors easily. And here's a cool feature. See the colors on each sensor? This color coding helps you easily connect them to the right Nezha Pro Connect port.
Let's move the electronics box to the side and see what we have in the building block.
Wow, there are so many pieces.
This set includes over 2,500 mechanical pieces, lightweight, sturdy, and Lego compatible.
And you can combine these parts with your Lego sets.
Exactly. Imagine how amazing this would be.
For more detailed information and interactive lessons, you should continue this course.
You'll also find guides to build cool sample projects like this robot arm. So that's the Elecfreaks Future Innovators set. Smart sensors, powerful motors, and endless possibilities.
We can't wait to start building. What robot would you build? Grab your set and start creating the future today. Bye for now.